be replacing the master switch. The master switch is in charge of controlling the window. Simple. So here it is. We have 4 auto switches. However, the driver switch does not operate automatically. So if I try to take it up, I have to long press it. However, if I'm turning down the window, I only press it once. So the master switch has like 4 switches. So the first one, it moves slowly, and then the second one takes it all the way down. Same going up, 2 switches. One takes it as long as you hold it, and then the next one all the way till up. And this one is spoiled, so we have this new one, and we're going to be replacing with this new one. And with this new one, I have to open the door card so as to take it out. And to open the door card, I need socket ratchets and a T30. So there are 3 balls, I think 4 or 3. One here, and another one down here. So we are going to start with this one that is open down here. Yeah. One bolt off, and we have to remove this thing over here. It's quite hard. You need a pry tool to remove it if you have one, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use my nails. It's off. Yeah. Then next we have one bolt here and another one there. Is there another one there?
Yes, there's a third one.
Yeah. So again, T30. So easy to open. I think it's off. Another one. I think it's off. And another one. So after undoing the screws, I hope they're off. No, this one is not yet off. So after undoing the screws, there are a couple of what is it called? Clips. Here all the way to here and down here. So for the clips, we have to use brute force again. Wow, I can't remember exactly where to start with. Let me get a screwdriver. I'm going to use this screwdriver flat as my
prying tool.
Yeah, but a professional should not use this. There you go. Bad thing of doing this is that you might break the clips, and if you break the clips you need to buy new clips. So I hope I haven't broken any clips, but you know, once it's off. Yeah. Wow,
one broken,
another bolt. It's it's a bolt.
Yeah, it's just come off.
Yeah.
And
Okay, so this was the original control switch, and there are 3 wiring harnesses. So one for it, another one for the mirrors, and then for the alarm, and there's a 4th one for the door over here. So we took all those harnesses, and then to remove the control switch, there are 6, I don't know, brackets, brackets that you need to use a prying tool to take it off. So we took it off, here it is, and we're replacing it with the brand new one with all the switches functioning. So replacing it is as simple as pushing it back. There it goes. I think all the clips are in. Not yet. Oh, okay. So I need to this side.
yeah.
From the other side,
good.
how does it look? I think
Good,
it looks
it's
okay. Yeah. I think it looks okay. Yep. So that's how you replace a control switch. Now we just have to put everything back together. Now we are putting everything back together. The good thing about this wiring harness is that each of the holes is different, so you don't have to worry about confusing anything. So let me start with this one. This is the easiest one. This one goes there, this one goes here, and then there's this one for there, and then the last one is this one for the master switch. There you go. So the dog has its back. We have fixed the clips, though we have to buy 2 clips. We've broken 2 clips, and the clips are easily available online. You can buy them for cheap. So 30, and last small one. Then the big one down here. That's super tight. It looks like I need a new ratchet. Yeah, that's tight as well. What the plastic trim. I'm supposed to start from this side. That's back in. So we're going to test if the new control switch works. Okay. Yes, it goes down. Single button. Single button. Success. That's done. Next, we are putting in our first mode, which is dump valve. So